Foul, disgusting, dirty. Foul, a bird. Great, a framework of metal bars. Great, very good or excellent. Gate, a barrier that can be sunk. Gate, a manner of walking. Gentle, kind and mild. Gentle, polite. Gamble, play games of chance for money. Gamble, to skip about playfully. Goal, prison, goal and aim. Ghastly, frightful or horrible. Ghostly, area or mysterious. Guilt, having guilt, an association of persons with similar interests or pursuits. Guilt, a feeling of responsibility for wrongdoing. God-like, resembling a deity. Godly, devoutly religious. Gorilla, a large ape. Gorilla, a member of a small, independent combat unit. Graceful, elegantly beautiful in form or manner. Gracious, kind and courteous. Gravitation, movement toward a center of attraction. Gravity, the force that attracts objects with mass toward each other. Ground, having full growth. Grown, a crying out in grace. यहाँ से नेक्स्ट आप खुद करना. नेक्स्ट पेज करते हैं. Hole, an opening or gap. Hole, complete. Horn, a hard pointed growth on an animal's head. Horn, a wind instrument. Hypocritical, criticized by hypocrisy. Hypercritical, excessively critical. Humanity, the quality of being human. Humanities, academic disciplines studying human culture. Humanism, a philosophical stance emphasizing human values and concerns. Hollow, having an empty space inside. Hello, to make holy. Hello, a ring or light around a person's head. Human, relating to or characteristic of people. Human, kind, compassionate. Ideal, a simple, peaceful life. Idle, ideal time. Idle, not active or in use. Idol, an object of intense admiration. Ideal, a conception of something in its perfection. Industrial, related to industry. Industrious, diligent. Impossible, not able to occur or be done. Impassable, not able to be passed. Indigent, poor, needy. Indigenous, native to a particular region. Ingenious, clever. Ingenious, showing innocent or childlike simplicity. इधर से आप सेल्फ स्टडी करना. नेक्स्ट पेज. Judicious, having or showing good judgment. Judicial, of or relating to the administration of justice. Judiciary, the branch of government that interprets and applies the law. New, to have information in your mind. New, recently made. No, to be aware of through observation or information. And oh no, a negative response. Leak, an accidental hole. Leek, a vegetable related to onion. Lone, something borrowed. Lone, solitary or single. Last, final. Last, strong sexual desire. Lost, unable to be found. Least, smallest in amount of or degree. Later, after the expected or usual time. Later, the second of two things mentioned. Lead, a heavy soft metal. Lead, a guide to guide or direct. Lesson, to reduce or diminish. Lesson, something learned. Lightning, a flash of light in the sky. Lightning, becoming lighter. Loose, not firmly fixed. Loss, to be deprived of. Luxuries, providing great. Luxuriant, abundant. Limit, a point. Beyond, limitation, a limiting condition. Lot, variant. Marshal, a high-ranking military officer. Marshal, to arrange in proper order. Martial, relating to war. Maze, a complicated network of paths. Maze, cone. May be, used to indicate uncertainty or possibility. May be, to express that something is possible. Mean, to intend to convey. Mean, not generous or kind. Mean,